Hey there, it's Erin with Time Saving Templates, and really quick, I wanted to show you everything that is included in the All-Star HR package that we have here at Time Saving Templates, which is a package of premium Excel spreadsheet templates. The templates cover everything with a heavy focus in compensation, plus that includes bonus calculations, merit increases, salary ranges, turnover, total reward statements to help you crush your goals and gain access to everything that you need to finish what you are working on quicker. So let me do a quick snapshot of these 6 sections are the main categories that we have a variety of templates that you can get. Once you purchase this, you get immediate access to download all these templates that you need. So there's 6 different sections, and the first is base pay programs. We have a pay structure design template, merit increase and analysis, promotions and adjustment, understanding compensation metrics cheat sheet, step rate pay scale. That's for people who get increases based on how long they've been with the company. A salary range reset template. That is if you want to reset your ranges for each calendar year. This is coming soon, bring to minimum. Then we have incentives. These are things like a variable compensation program, key performance indicator plan, people who are on sales commission plans. And this package also includes upgrades and customizations that are requested. And the variable compensation plan, this is a bonus. It includes 3 components instead of 2. So the first one includes company performance and individual performance. And then this one will include company, individual, and business unit. Stock administration also falls under incentives. Then we have the third section, employee reward statements. We have a 1-page statement, which is the basic. Then we also have a 2-part statement. Let me just click and show you really quick what that looks like. By the way, when you get access to this, you can immediately come in and download the templates that you need along with PDF directions that come with each one to make it super easy for you. This is the rewards statement, which would link and pull in the data for your employees. And then this is coming soon, an automation. Then we have section 4, performance management, an employee performance review and scorecard rating. That would be to help do performance reviews, whether they're annual or every 6 months. Then we have the key performance indicators. That is the same template, also in incentives, because it's a template that measures specific performance and ties it to a bonus payout. And this version also coming soon. Then we have section 5, turnover and retention. We have the basic turnover report. Then we have the turnover report that shows turnover by tenure and termination reason. Then we also have a cost to hire worksheet template, the salary range reset, and a resignation proof roadmap is also here. And that is the turnover and retention section. Then we have HR tracking and admin. We've got an overtime template to help you audit who's getting overtime and how much, which departments, vacation and paid time off tracking template. Then we also have the payroll template. This is an attendance report template. And then an HR database tracker. If you don't have an HRIS system, this is for a small company to use to track in Excel. And that is everything that is included right now. And then when you get the package today, you also get any new templates that we add that are HR related will get added into this content, so you can have access to anything that's added within the next 12 months. And all templates in the All-Star package come unlocked. If you buy the templates one by one through the website. Those do come personalized with your name or business name of your choice. But when you get the All-Star package, we are automatically including the unlocked version. Those don't come personalized. So that is a quick run through of everything that we have, all the templates that are included in the All-Star HR package. And don't forget, we do include the cost of the unlocked version and also new templates added in the next 12 months. And depending on when you purchase, sometimes we have promotions where if you purchase during the promotion, you can also get a free customization included as part of the package. So you can get a free customization, and these are some examples of customizations we've done in the past. Adding with the merit increase program, adding a feature to flag someone who is over the range or could get a lump sum instead of an increase. I think we went over the variable comp having a third element, such as the business unit performance. And KPI, this could be adding a different type of metric. So you can have this, it's a limited time deal where we won't always be offering free customizations, but if you get the HR package during the limited time offer, then you have within 12 months to request the customization that you want, because sometimes you need to get into the template to figure out what it is that you want updated or changed. And these templates, the formulas are also unprotected, so you're able to also try to make your own changes if that's something that you want to do. So I hope that helps give you a quick view of everything that you can have access to. And until next time, don't forget, I'm here to help you streamline and save time when it comes to using Excel spreadsheet templates. Thanks.